The Black Swan group started quietly many years ago, and we got together to really think about where myeloma was heading and how we could get out in the forefront of research to help move projects so that instead of doing things sequentially, we could run things in parallel. It may sound interesting that we have new therapies, which are of course very important, but at the same time as our therapies get better, we need to have better methods for diagnosing and monitoring our myelomas.
I'm very much involved with the Black Swan Research Initiative. It's a very important initiative of the IMF. As you know, the main goal of the Black Swan Initiative is to find something rather dramatic. In this case, can we cure multiple myeloma? What are the tools we need? And the first step, of course, is to have all the required testing that we can do to establish that a cure is possible. And so MRD0, minimal residual disease, not being there in the bone marrow, that is the first step that we need to do. And we are funding many projects to look at this. One of them is multicolor flow cytometry that can be done universally in any lab in the world.
The new test that the Black Swan Research Initiative has made possible has been a collaboration with the group in Salamanca, Spain, Professor Alberto Orfeo and his research colleague Bruno Paiva, working with Jesus San Miguel. This Spanish team, have created a precise new flow test which is more sensitive than we've had before, and with software that will allow it to be automatically standardized in labs around the world. And so what this means is, in implementing better therapy, it will be possible to monitor at the low levels of disease and in a way that's cost-effective and available to patients everywhere. It will be possible for $50 to $100 a test to carry out this flow test and to see if the treatment is working towards achieving zero residual disease.
We're no longer satisfied with detecting a small amount of myeloma in the body. We want to be able to detect microscopic or nanoscopic amounts of myeloma. One of the areas the Black Swan has taken a big lead in, and it's really coming to fruition, is to detect minimal residual disease and really know with methods that we never had before. To detect very small levels of myeloma so that we can get out in front of this disease before it becomes full-blown cancer and causes problems for people. So we're now running with the new therapies. We have new diagnostic and monitoring methods, which the Black Swan has really taken a lead on, and we're happy to see that move into the forefront now with these new potent agents. So we're thrilled to be able to move these different methods in parallel with the drugs that are coming.
So early disease, when the disease has not had the chance to become resistant, when we have a chance to possibly eradicate each of the subclones that we know might be there. And so it's exciting times to have this possibility and to take advantage through collaboration to bring experts together who have information or expertise to contribute to this project.
And our goal is to see if we can cure multiple myeloma even now. And this is a major initiative of the IMF and the Black Swan Research Initiative.